Are you done chewing?
Yeah.
Loosening up, loosening up. Muscles, let me see them muscles.
I can do it when I jump.
Alright, do it when you jump. Move, G. Nice.
That muscles when he jumps.
Can you do it again?
Look. Look, look. Good. Uh-oh, it's higher.
Cool. Alright, ready? Muscles. Nice.
That was high. Look at me. That was a high jump.
Can G do it?
Yeah.
G, you do it.
Really do it though.
Toe touch, G, toe touch.
She's just been telling him to do it. Okay. Where'd it go?
Alright, G, you ready? Feet.
Huh?
Thank you. Ready? Toe touch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Point your toes. Upside down, Mom. Point your toes. Wait till you
Service with a smile.
Hold on, Wilson. I'm gonna do it. Hold on. Hold on, Mom. Wait a minute, Wilson. Here, I'm gonna do your chair underwater, Regina.
Oh yeah. Thick?
Look.
Yeah.
Look. 1, 2, 3.
Big? 15 by 24.
Hold on.
Oh, stick? No, that ain't long enough. I got one with a net on it. That would work too. But I might go to jail for that. Come on, Joey. How come you're not jumping?
I know, Joey. Where's your swimmies at, boy?
Toe touch. All right, too big a video.